are here because of my son. His attention is not that good. He is not focused. His interests are not like in children his age. He went on all different treatments like since he was 2 years old. I was here in September for the first time, so this is our second time, and now he listens better. He's much better focused and his understanding is much better. We noticed improvement in his motor planning. Like he gets much more ideas, and now he really likes to play with the ball, and he's with the ball all the time. He finds balls around and he wants to play with you, and he came every morning with a smile. My name is Daniella Vujicic. I'm from Croatia, Makarska. We are here because of my son. He's 7 years old now and he has difficulties in his development. He doesn't speak. He has a twin brother who is really highly intelligent. We have, problems since he was 2 years old, a bit less, and so we are trying all the different ways to help him in his development in general, but his speech is the main problem. His current diagnosis is difficulties in speech and communication, problems with attention, but we did that ADOS for a test privately to see if he is in spectrum of autism, and it showed that he is in mild spectrum. His attention is not that good. He is not focused. His interests are not like in children his age. He lack of interest, but he is not interested in things like the other kids normally are. But he never had problems with behavior or something like that. Since he was 2, he went to occupational therapy, speech therapist, sensory therapy. We tried neurofeedback, 𝘗𝘭𝘬𝘢 method with listening. Then we tried integration of primary reflexes. That was some kind of stimulations on his body. We did that for 2 years, almost 3 hours every day. We tried really everything. He went for horseback riding. He went on different sports, on all kind of occupational speech therapies. There is some kind of other therapy, I'm not sure yet, like defectologue. What he does, I don't know. He went on all different treatments like since he was 2 years old. I saw it, I think, on the web somewhere. I'm not sure. It popped out somewhere, and then I start reading about it, and I thought maybe it could help him. I thought no harm in it. It couldn't harm him. If it helps, good. If it doesn't help, okay. But we decided to try. We live in Croatia. Serbia is really near. I have relatives here, so we come often here. It's not that when I saw that that I can come to Serbia, it was easier than to travel to Russia, for example. But maybe that's the most, where are you going, who is going to be there, but about the treatment, I didn't have that many concerns. Maybe how he is going to tolerate that. Do we have to sedate him or not?
How did he tolerate?
Great. He was really, really good. We never had to sedate him. He was really cooperative with everything. But he's really a good child. He listens to everything. It's easier for me with him than with his twin brother. So he's really good child. But you never know. It's not easy to take your blood out and then to get infusion, and everybody said always, "You are so good, you are so good child," and he was happy to come and to be praised, and everybody said he was good. He came every morning with a smile. I was here in September for the first time, so this is our second time. It was about 2 or 3 months after the treatment. We noticed much better understanding. The main problem with him is the focus, and then he hears but he doesn't listen, and now he listens better. He's much better focused and his understanding is much better. We noticed improvement in his motor planning. Like he gets much more ideas. He's playing more. Before that he wasn't. He was just walking around and seeing things, playing with the things you didn't notice. But now he likes to play with the ball. He likes to catch and throw the ball. He always likes to ride a bike and roller, but now he rides rollers and goes play basketball with the ball. So his motor abilities are really high, better than the average children that age. In that area he is really, really good. Now around New Year we could throw and catch the ball for 100 times, but it wasn't for the fun. He did it because I said, okay, let's do it, and he would do it to please me. And now he really likes to play with the ball, and he's with the ball all the time. He finds balls around and he wants to play with you, and his play is much more meaningful. It's not for the fun, but he knows how to, I don't know, draw a circle, draw a triangle or something like that. Before he would just take the pencil and scrap around, nothing special. Now he does it. It's not that he likes it very much, but it's much better. And he's 7 now. He's supposed to go to school, but we delayed it, so he's staying in kindergarten for 1 more year. So that's also better. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy everything went well, and I'm really hoping to see new good results. We tried also one new therapy, and I think with the stem cell treatments it's really getting better faster. There were no, or really minimal or no improvement for years, and now when we tried this, you can really see improvements. So anybody who can afford it, I suggest that he tries with the stem cell treatment.